In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect PlayStation 4 controller to Samsung computer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up and use your PlayStation 4 controller on a Samsung computer. This process is going to be exactly the same with any type of computer that you have, even if it is not from Samsung. So you have two main ways of connecting it to your computer. First, you can do it through a wired connection. This is going to give you the best latency possible because a wired connection ensures that there will be no delay, but you will have a cable, so keep that in mind. Your range might be limited. So all that you have to do for a wired connection is to use a micro USB to USB cable, plug the micro USB end into the DualShock 4 itself, and then the USB end into the computer, into any available USB port that you have, usually on your motherboard or your case. Immediately upon plugging it in, the controller should be picked up, the drivers will be downloaded, and you will be able to use it right away. And if you open any game, emulator, or anything that supports controller inputs, you will be able to play without any issues. Alternatively, if you don't have a cable, or if you would prefer to connect it wirelessly, then the only option that you have is to use Bluetooth. So if your computer has a Bluetooth adapter or Bluetooth built into the motherboard, you will be able to enable it from the settings, and once Bluetooth is enabled, you just have to put your PlayStation 4 controller into pairing mode. To do this, press and hold the PlayStation and the share button simultaneously for a few seconds. Once you do this, eventually you will see the light bar start blinking rapidly, indicating that the controller is in pairing mode. Now, if you look under the list of available devices on your PC, you will be able to select the PlayStation 4 controller from the list. Immediately upon doing so, it is going to remain connected to your Samsung computer, and you will once again be able to open any game, emulator, or anything that supports controller inputs to play. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect PlayStation 4 controller to Samsung computer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.